Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here with an amazing first look of a device I'm super excited about, none other than the Nintendo Switch Lite with the adjoining game, The Legend of Zelda, baby! And this is none other than the Nintendo Switch Lite on my channel. Oh yeah, there it is. And I am so excited about this device. I'm probably more excited about it than you are because this is like kind of an Android channel, iPhone channel, doesn't matter. But this is also the first time I'm doing a Street Tech review with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And so look at that quality. It is looking really nice right there. So this is kind of a demo of this 11 Pro Max with 4K 60 frames per second shooting right now. Move it away and move it very close. So this Nintendo Switch Lite just came out this week in Hong Kong, and I'm very excited to kind of put my hands on it. Let's have a look on this very interesting device here. This is the handheld from Nintendo, and so I do have a Nintendo Switch I've used since the initial launch in March of 2017. I have played Legend of Zelda, I played Mario, I played a lot of great stuff, and I've used that original Switch for so many years. But now I wanted to get a Switch that will work for my kind of mobile use, so when I'm on trips I can use this device. And I got it in this beautiful blue color. And so showing you again, there is the Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening version on the Switch that I can't wait to test out. Now, I've never played that version of the game before, but I'm very excited to test it out. The thing that I'm most excited about on this console is this D-pad right here. This directional pad is something I've been waiting for the longest time on any kind of portable console. So that means I can play Mario, original Super Mario Brothers. I can do a lot of great stuff with this device using this D-pad right here. And it's got this nice matte finish to it. But the major point of this is it's running the same software and the same performance CPU as the new Switch. So I have the old Switch, but it's got the new Switch that is actually 32 GB of storage, and it's running a better battery life from what I've heard so far. USB-C on the bottom. Let me show you guys on the sides there. There are the top triggers, and there you see is the exhaust for this device, and 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, something we're not seeing in phone world that often anymore. But this is a really beautiful mobile console, and I'm very excited to test it out. But obviously guys, this is a phone channel, so thanks for watching this quick video here. I really do appreciate it. And obviously stay tuned. The giveaway's coming up soon, guys. The Mi A3 giveaway. I'm going to be announcing the winner of that giveaway. So subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, guys. It's going to be an amazing announcement. And I can't wait. On the road to 100,000 subscribers on my channel. You know what's going to happen, guys. Stay tuned. And most importantly here, I want to say thank you to all you guys who have supported my channel from the beginning. To all my OG subscribers, you know who you are. It really means the world to me that you're still watching my crazy antics here on the streets of Hong Kong after all this time. So anyways, appreciate it, guys. I will be doing obviously a full review, but this is just a first look of this Nintendo Switch Lite. And hit me up in the comments with any questions or comments you have. I cannot wait to play Link's Awakening. And just FYI for you guys, Link, the original Zelda game, Breath of the Wild for Nintendo Switch. Guys, I spent 120 plus hours playing that game. I got so into it, and that's why I'm very excited about playing this Link's Awakening remake. This is an original kind of game from back in the day, from Nintendo era, but they've remade it, and I'm very excited to see how I am able to play this. I love playing games in my spare time. I'm a casual gamer. You guys love your PUBG, you guys love this and that, but you know what? I also love my console gaming, and you see it there, the Nintendo Switch Lite in this beautiful kind of cyan blue color. I can't wait to test it out further. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.